In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use video in your Canva design. Start by opening Canva, logging in, and opening the design you want to enhance. This could be a social post, a presentation slide, or a custom canvas. Having your design open makes it easy to see how the video will fit with your existing layout, colors, and text. On the left sidebar, click Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Video to browse Canva's video options. You'll see a variety of clips you can use. If you already have your own footage, click Uploads instead. Then, upload your video from your device. Once it appears in your Uploads panel, it's ready to use just like any other asset. Drag the video directly onto your design. As soon as it lands on the canvas, you'll see it appear as an element you can move around. If your design includes a frame or placeholder, dropping the video onto that area will snap it in place, giving you a clean, contained look. Resize and position the video as needed. Use the corner handles to scale it up or down while keeping the proportions intact, and click and drag to reposition it. Aim for a placement that supports your message, whether that's a full bleed background to create impact or a smaller box that complements your text and graphics. If anything looks crowded, give your content some breathing room so it remains easy to read. Click play above the canvas to preview. Watch the video all the way through to confirm it plays smoothly and sits well with your design. This is a good moment to check the timing of any text or graphics you've added so they don't obscure important parts of the video. When you're happy with the result, click Share in the top right. From here, choose Download if you want a video file, or select Present to use your design with the embedded video right away. Downloading will save a file you can upload to social platforms or send to colleagues. Presenting lets you play the video inside your design during a meeting or live session. That's it. You opened your design, brought in a video from Elements or Uploads, placed it where it looks best, previewed it, and then exported or presented it. Follow these steps anytime you want to bring motion and storytelling into your Canva projects.